Hi there, students. Extensive, extensive, extensively. So an adjective and an adverb. I guess the noun is the extent, but that's slightly different. If something is extensive, it covers a large area. So the house has a very extensive garden. There is an extensive parking area in front of the shop. Okay, so extensive, covering a large area. But then you could also use it more metaphorically, having a great range, a lot of. So he has a very extensive knowledge of the English language. He knows a lot about it. There was extensive coverage of the event on television. Yeah. The house needed extensive repairs. Yeah. Okay. They analysed the numbers, the statistics extensively. Yeah, this shop has a very extensive catalogue. It covers many, many different things. So the extent of something is the range, but if it's extensive, it's got a huge range. There are lots of different things. He has an extensive collection of 13th century manuscripts. Yeah, he's had extensive contact with tribes that are lost in the Amazon jungle. Yeah, he's been in extensive correspondence with the lawyers of the opposition. Okay, so extensive, something that covers a large physical area, something that covers a very large range. So his tour to India was very extensive. He went to many different places. Yeah, he has travelled extensively. Yeah, something that's extensive covers a wide range of details, a wide range of ideas. So, yeah, my channel is very extensive. It covers a wide range of vocabulary and grammar. He did extensive research into this matter. Okay, so if something's extensive, it's very big. Yeah, the storm caused extensive damage. Yeah. He makes extensive use of slang words. So extended, huge. So petrol is extensively used as a fuel for cars. Okay, it's used everywhere in an extended area, in a large range. Yeah. Okay, so over a large range of land, over a large degree, something that's widespread. He had extensive coverage in the press. The garden is very extensive. It's very big. There are extensive deserts in North Africa. Okay, so something's extensive. It covers a large area. It's vast. Something that's extensive, a considerable amount. I've done extensive research. Yeah. Okay, so extensive. It covers a lot of different things. Okay, so to a large amount. There have been extensive repairs to the house. Yeah. They have improved the facilities in the town extensively. Okay, so a large range, an extensive knowledge of something. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin extensivus, from the word extensus, yeah, extendo, to extend, to cover an area. So, I think I've given a pretty extensive explanation of the word extensive. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Extensive, extensively.